Cheers, boys. My last video for today, and I'll be back there whenever. Catching up on YouTube. Cheers, AK Betty, Davey Boy, West for 20. All the great people, you know who you are. I've got to be careful because it is going to piss it down, rain soon. It's actually raining yet, well, it's spitting a little bit, but that's not too bad when it spits, it's just when it chucks it down. A bit of a rougher thing about it. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm using my shitty TV now, boys. Yeah, I watched Seaside Mark, I watched Lion My Lad. I think I got locked down for another couple of months now, for fuck's sake. It's never gonna fucking end, is it? That's never gonna fucking end. Anyway, cheers, boys. Cheers, anyway. Cheers, boys. But yeah, this will be the last video for a couple of days. I've done my 3 videos, what I can do. But yeah, I thought I'd do my last video as a garden reduction. Cheers to everyone, the lake of my Davey tribute. Oh, so get in there, my lads. Fucker sucks in this lockdown that you can't say you fucking family and shit. You know. It's so bad though if you can actually come round in, you know, because the social distancing, yeah, I understand that, yeah, but it's not like stop people can't come and fucking bullshit. This lockdown, mate, is absolutely fucking ridiculous. I'll go out, dude, because you see me, I ain't got no coronavirus, see what I mean? All fucking bullshit, in my opinion. But this old twatty Boris Johnson likes to be in charge, thinks he's a king or something. Not wank. I can now think Boris Johnson, I think, needs to brush his hair, doesn't he? Don't you believe in the brush? Oh, God, dude. Oh. Anyways, I hope everyone's doing good anyway. Lockdown and stuff like that, whatever. You know what I mean? So yeah, this was my last video for a couple of days, like I said. So yeah. I'm just watching Mo Sargent in a minute, the Albanham Hospital. I haven't watched it yet, but I will be. Whenever TV, what my spare TV is pretty weird. You put headphones in and there's fucking Waylaid. Blow your ear holes out. Ain't much to fucking say. Ain't much UK tweeters are coming up these days, only Gabino, but I subscribe to him, I don't even watch his fucking videos. Always a snake and always will be a snake, the way it is with him. Don't give a fuck about the UK tweeters, but people who made him. You know what I mean? Absolutely fucking disrespectful motherfucker. The old gambling community didn't make you Garbino. Fucking hell, the UK drinkers made you. If it worked for us though, Garbino, that you wouldn't even know what YouTube drinking community is. And that's a fucking T Kenny sitting there believing trolls, mate. They're absolutely fucking weirdo, isn't he? Fucking hell, boy. Let him come on your chat and bore me to death, T Kenny. Fucking hell, mate, when you do a line, mate, and you expect people not to come on your chat, mate, you're absolutely fucking idiot. It's called live. Or you're going to sit there and talk to yourself, are you? Yeah, I'm going to have a fucking rest today. Watch some other YouTube videos and watch whatever. Oh. Yeah. Oh god. That was absolutely fucking not very warm out today, but anyways, you need a bit of rain. What the old potatoes and shit. Any other plans? I'll be back in a fucking minute. But anyways, cheers. I'll see you when I see you, I suppose. So, well, it was only Thursday today, but I'll be back, well, a couple of days. fucking drank too much this week. Yeah, you know what I mean? Like I said, everyone needs a fucking break, you know what I mean? My saying, boys. I'll probably watch some episodes. Ready for 20. I'll probably watch that Supergirl. See what that's like. I'll watch that today. I've got to fucking start from fucking episode season 1. You're gonna have to send me that fucking site, what you use, AKV. This video's fucking get down to the squirrel boys and it'll end. I'll see you whenever, boys. I'll see you whenever. Oh. Now I'm gonna go watch my programs. So just chill out. What's in there? Cheers. But anyway, boys, take care, my lads, and I'll see you later.